What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We just wanted to do a little talk today about current market conditions. Man, it is pretty tough out there. We've seen a lot of sideways consolidation. We have not seen big moves in a single direction. And I just want to make sure that I make this video and maybe connect to some of you out there that you need to understand that not every moment in the stock market is a time to fire. We're not always going to get the big moves, the multi-day runners, the multi-day awesome swing trades. Even the intraday continuation is even hard to get as of right now. You guys know we've been on this sort of steep downside move in the market, and we're currently in a consolidation period, a period where no one really knows what the next move is going to be, right? And so you get this time period where it's uncertain. No one wants to take a large side, right? There's not a lot of continuation. You're sort of pinned in this price action that we're currently seeing. Me personally, I can see both sides, right? And a lot of other traders can probably see both sides as well. They see maybe the next leg lower potentially coming, or they see maybe a relief bounce coming. It's a tough time, right? And these periods, and even I have struggled slightly this week. I really haven't had that great of a week. I've had some red days, I've had some green days. It just haven't gone anywhere, right? I've sort of just been spinning and not really making any progress. A time period like this is very important. It's very crucial to understand what's going on, to understand that we need to take the foot off the gas a little bit, to understand that capital preservation is an important thing, and to make sure we wait and are in the game for when that market heats up again, right? What happens to a lot of traders is they feel like every day something needs to happen. They feel like they have to make money today. And they end up losing a significant amount of their money in a sideways consolidation in a area where there's really no opportunity. And then when that opportunity comes in, right, when we actually start to see the moves come out of the consolidation, their account's gone, right? Or their buying power's gone. Or maybe their buying power is not what it once was. And now it's very difficult, if not close to impossible, to make back those losses with a smaller amount of capital, right? And so I cannot stress the importance of right now in the current market conditions. Keep it easy. One or two attempts a day. Maybe you try something you think looks okay. If it doesn't work, accept it. Accept that the market's not really moving for you. Accept that we're in these tight channels. Don't fight it. You're not going to win a fight with the stock market. It's impossible. You're not going to be able to move the SPY or the QQQ in a direction that you may be looking for it to go to. We've seen a lot of sporadic moves, and today is Friday, which is the OPEX, which is triple witching or whatever it is. Not really too interested in that, but you have seen the price action today. Go back to Friday of, what is today? Today is March 21st. Go to March 21st price action from 9:30 to around 12 o'clock and look at how disgusting it is. It's not something that you have to trade. It's not something that you have to be a part of. It's not the price action that's going to make you rich as a day trader. There's going to be days where the SPY's up 3%, the SPY's down 3% in a fluid trend, and we're just juicing out some wins. Those are the days that make the difference, not the days that we stay within a 2-point range on the SPY the entire morning. I know it's easy for me to come here and talk to you about this, but I can't tell you how important this is. Over the last pretty much since the start of 2025, the only thing that I have been focusing on, because I know my strategy, I know how to trade, I know all that good stuff. The only thing that I've been focusing on is patience to execute the system. Extreme patience. And most of the time, being overly patient. Probably too cautious to where I actually miss out on some decent opportunities. And that's okay with me. That mindset, I think, is very healthy right now. Now, this video has a time limit to it, right? This video that I'm making today about market conditions, there will be a time limit to this video, meaning it will change. This is not going to go on forever. This is not something that you say, oh man, the stock market's not for me. I can't do this. You need to understand that this is temporary. It's something that markets go through. It's a consolidation period on the market. It's an uncertain time on the market where we're not really getting a single direction. It's temporary. It will change. And I want you to stay patient and allow this to pass by so that once it changes, you are ready to learn, you're ready to strike, you have the capital, you have the buying power. and you're ready to take advantage of some good moves. So guys, it's just a lazy Friday here for me, man. We did pretty good. I'll pop up the results on the screen for you guys to see. We took a little bit of a fade on the SPX on the SPY. I actually took some cues. I just basically traded the market today on some failures. It was a decent day, but man, I was in and out of these positions within maybe 2 to 10 minutes. And if I would have held them for any longer, I would have got smoked. And I was happy I made the money, but I really can tell you that this profit today is not something that I would try to repeat. It's not something that I would try to do again. It's not something that was even worth the stress. It was a sweaty trade. The money's good. The number may look good, but I can tell you that risk reward was never ideal. The risk on my trades was probably even to my rewards. It wasn't a day that I would walk away and say, holy shit, what a great day it was. So we came out on top. We got out alive. I get to sit on my couch now. It's Friday. I don't even want to step into that computer screen. I don't even want to step into that room because I know if I try to do something stupid, if I try to get back on the charts and get involved in that price action, I'm probably going to blow up the wins that I have, right? And just give it all back. So making this video from the couch because I don't even want temptation to get into that office. But I hope you guys took this message well. It's just a quick video to close out this week to make you understand that everyone is seeing the same thing, including myself. And I want to make sure that you're safe in this environment. So with that said, have a fantastic weekend, guys. Thanks for the little TED Talk. Thanks for listening to my TED Talk today. But I do believe this is an important concept and an important topic to make sure you know that it is true. It is something that everyone's dealing with. And make sure to stay safe in this environment so that when better opportunities arise, you're here to strike. Press that like button, subscribe to the channel. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Got a 100K subscriber vlog coming. Some really exciting stuff. And also, if you guys got a t-shirt, man, those should be coming out soon. The t-shirt, the 100K t-shirt, you should be getting those shipping labels pretty soon. You should be getting the notifications that they are getting to your house pretty soon. So thank you guys for all the support. Have a fantastic weekend. And I will see you guys in the live stream on Monday. Peace out.